Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. In this video, all I want to do is show you that you can actually hook up several iPads and iPhones to your computer using Vysor. So if you notice, I have my iPad Pro 11-inch, and this is one of the newest ones that's available. Then I got my this one here is the 15 iPhone 15 Pro, and then I got a 14 iPhone 14. So I was able to connect every single one of them to my screen. So if you ever wondered if it can be done, it can. I have actually I have another one, but I just don't have the right kind of cable to connect it to my iPhone right now. But that's all I wanted to show you. I do have some videos that show you how to connect your Vysor software, which this is what you need to connect your computer, your iPhones or your iPads to your screen. And it's a free app. I've been using it for a week so far. I like it. Uh, the other softwares, they want to charge you money. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. And if you like it, you can just go to Vysor, just type, Visor.com, and it'll take you to this thing here. Now you have to install it on your Windows and your iPhone or your iPad. But again, I have a video to show you how to do all of that. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on the